Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the Wi-Fi band on GoPro Fusion 360. You can choose a 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi band on your GoPro Fusion 360. The 2.4 will have a higher distance, so it can connect through walls and from a longer distance, but 5 GHz network will have higher speed. So depending on your needs, you can change it by clicking on this button right here until you go to settings, then click on rec button, then click on a rec button 3 times to go to the connectivity settings, and then go down to band. Now you can click on OK and it will switch it to 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Then go down and click on done. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.